Hello, my dear children. Welcome to today's English time. Are you okay? Very good. Did you do the works given in the last class? Very good. Then tell me, how many words did you make from the word disappointment? 20? 30? Wow, 50? Very good. Then look at this one. This is written by a friend among you. He had written more than 100 words. I know many of you have written a lot of words like this. Anyway, my dears, congrats to all of you. Okay? Okay, dears. Then look at this. Did you match all the activities of cultivation with the correct pictures? Okay, very good. Now look. How is it arranged in order? Which one is the first? Yes, digging is the first one. Then the second one? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, sowing. Then which is the third? Yes, watering. Then yes, manuring. Then planting. Then last one, which is it? Yes, reaping is the last one. Very good. My dear children, did you write like this? Oh, very good. എന്തെങ്കിലും മാറ്റം വരുത്തേണ്ടതുണ്ടെന്ന് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? എങ്കിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? Yes, refine it once again and write it in your English book. Okay, dears? I think now all of you have a clear idea about the steps of cultivation. Then shall we go back to your story? Are you ready? Oh, are you waiting for something else? I know what you are expecting. Is it a game? Okay, dears. Then come on. Today I will introduce you a new game. Are you ready? But there is a problem. I need some friends to play with. Who do I play with? ലോക്ക്ഡൗൺ പീരീഡ് അല്ലേ, ഒരു കൂട്ടുകാരെയും ഒപ്പം കൂട്ടാൻ കഴിയില്ല. പിന്നെ എങ്ങനെയാ ഈ പുതിയ കളി കളിക്കുക? ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഗെയിം. ഓ, വാട്ട് ക്യാൻ വി ഡു? ഒരു മാജിക് പ്രയോഗിച്ചാലോ? ആർ യു കൺഫ്യൂസ്ഡ്? ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ വാച്ച് ഇറ്റ്. Hey, what are you doing? Me? Yeah, you. What are you doing? I'm digging the soil. Digging the soil? I'm digging the soil. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Me? Yeah, you. What are you doing? I am plucking the mango. Plucking the mango? I am plucking the mango. Okay. Hey, what are you doing? Me? Yeah, you. I am fetching the water. Fetching the water? Yeah, I am fetching the water. Okay. you doing? Me? Yeah, you. I am eating an apple. Eating an apple? Yeah, I am eating an apple. Okay. Hello, my dears. How was it? The game? Was it interesting? Yeah. Then tell me, what is the rule of the game? Tell me. Yes. Someone will act as he or she is doing something. Then the second person will come and ask. What will ask? Yes. What are you doing? Then what will the first person reply? Yes. The first person will reply anything else except what he or she is actually doing. Yes. Then the second person should do what the first person said. Like this, the game continue. യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ എന്താണോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അത് പറയില്ല, പകരം മറ്റൊന്ന് പറയും, അല്ലേ? യെസ്. അതുപോലെ വരുന്ന ആൾ അനുകരിക്കണം. ഇത്തരത്തിൽ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം? യെസ്, ദ ഗെയിം വിൽ കണ്ടിന്യൂ. Okay, my dears, can you play this game at your home with your family members? Okay, then play it with your family members. സ്കൂൾ തുറന്നിട്ട് കൂട്ടുകാരുടെ കൂടെ കളിക്കാം, കേട്ടോ? Okay, dears, shall we go back to our story? Where did we stop in the last class? Yes. Where? Yes, Pingala's disappointment. Our Pingala was so sad. Why? Yes, he tried his best to grow the seed, but his seed did not sprout. My dear children, അത്തരമൊരു അവസ്ഥയിൽ what may be his thoughts? എന്തൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും നമ്മുടെ പിങ്കള ചിന്തിക്കുക? Can you write it? Yes. Before that, you just see this. Our Pingala is thinking. Look at our Pingala. He is thinking. He is thinking something. What is he thinking? Look.
How unlucky I am. My seed didn't sprout. All the children are going to the palace. All of them have well-grown plants.
Yes, he is thinking about the children. എന്താണ് കുട്ടികളെക്കുറിച്ച് പിങ്കള ചിന്തിച്ചത്? Come on, tell me. എന്താ ചിന്തിച്ചത്? Yes. All the children are going to the palace. They all have well-grown plants. How lucky they are. Like that. Okay, now look. What else is he thinking? Look. Yes, he is thinking about how he cared the seed. Yes, then what else? Look. Yes, he is thinking about the king. Look. എന്തായിരിക്കും രാജാവിനെ കുറിച്ചും വിത്തിനെ പരിപാലിച്ചതിനെ കുറിച്ചുമൊക്കെ പിങ്കള ചിന്തിച്ചത്? Dear children, can you write the thoughts of our Pingala? Okay, if you were Pingala, how would be your thoughts? Think about that, then write. Before that, you should prepare a concept map like this. Look at this concept map. Pingala may think about the children. Then he may think about how he cared the seed. He may think about the king. My dear children, you can add more things related to his thoughts. പിങ്കളയുടെ ചിന്തയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് കൂടുതൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് കൂട്ടിച്ചേർക്കാം. Then try to frame sentences based on each things in the concept map. Is it clear, dears? Okay. Remember, write thinking that you are Pingala. Okay? നിങ്ങൾ പിങ്കളയാണ് എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് എഴുതണം. Okay. Then write how Pingala write his thoughts. Okay. Do you need a starting? Okay, I will give you a starting. Listen. Thoughts of Pingala. Oh, how unlucky I am. My seed didn't sprout. My dear children, can you complete the thoughts of Pingala now? Okay. Then write the thoughts of Pingala. Not now. After the class, you should write the thoughts of Pingala and what? Yes, send it to your teacher. Okay? Good. My dear children, let's go back to our story. Okay. Look at this picture. Who are there in the picture? Yes, Pingala and the other children. Look, someone is standing behind Pingala. Who may be that? Come on, tell me. Who is that? Yes, that is the poor farmer, our Pingala's father. Look at Pingala. What is he holding? What? Yes, he is holding a pot. Is it a flowery pot? No, it's an empty pot. And look at the children. What are they doing? Yes, they are. What are they doing? Come on, tell me. Yes, they are laughing. All the children are laughing. Where is our Pingala going? Where is he going? Do you want to know? Okay, then read and find it. Okay. Can you say now? Where is our Pingala going? Yes, our Pingala is going to the palace. Who suggests him to go to the palace? Yes, you are right. His father suggested him to go to the palace. Why? എന്തുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ അച്ഛൻ പിങ്കളയെ ഉപദേശിച്ചത്? Okay, I will read it. All of you should listen carefully. Okay. To the palace. Pingala's father had observed his son working hard to make the seed sprout. He felt sorry for Pingala. Why don't you go to the king with the empty pot? He asked. At least he will know you tried your best. So, Pingala too put on his best clothes and started off to the palace. He joined the others outside the palace, holding the empty pot in his hand. The other children laughed at him, but Pingala ignored them. My dear children, our Pingala's father felt sorry to his son and he suggested something to his son. What did he suggest to his son? Yes, he suggested his son to go to the palace with the empty pot. Why? He said, the king will understand. At least Pingala tried his best to grow the seed. Isn't it? Okay, look. Why don't you go to the king with this empty pot? At least he will know you tried your best. Okay, children, what did the other children do? What did they do? Yes, all the other children laughed at Pingala. Then what happened? Pingala വിഷമിച്ച് കരഞ്ഞോ? No. He never minded them. He ignored the children. അവൻ അവരെ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചതേയില്ല, അല്ലേ? Yes. He went to the palace with his empty pot. Okay, my dear children, have a look at the main ideas once again. Pingala's father felt sorry to him. Father asked him to go to the palace with the empty pot. He said that the king would understand his hard work. Pingala went to the palace with the empty pot. My dear children, our Pingala's father loved his son very much. He knew his son's hard work. That's why he suggested him to go to the palace. Do you want to hear a conversation between Pingala and his father? Okay, then listen to this video.
Pingala, why are you so sad, my dear?
Father, look, all the children going to the palace.
Why don't you go to the palace?
How can I go? My seed is not spot. All of them have well-grown plants.
Don't worry, my dear. You go to the king with the empty pot.
With this empty pot, king will punish me.
No, my dear. At least the king will know you tried your best. Go, my dear.
But father,
Nothing to worry, my son. You go. The king will understand that you worked hard.
okay father, I will go. I will go.
My dear children, didn't you hear the conversation between Pingala and his father? Yes, his father tried to console his son. മകനെ ആശ്വസിപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് കൊട്ടാരത്തിലേക്ക് പോകാൻ ആ പിതാവ് ഉപദേശിക്കുകയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, can you write the conversation between Pingala and his father as in your imagination? Okay, then try to write the conversation between Pingala and his father. Okay, see this conversation between Pingala and his father. Father: Pingala, why are you so sad, my dear? Then Pingala: my dear children, you should complete this conversation as in your imagination. നിങ്ങളുടെ ഭാവനയ്ക്കനുസരിച്ച് ഈ സംഭാഷണം പൂർത്തിയാക്കണം. ഓക്കെ? ഓക്കെ, my dear children, do you enjoy today's class? Okay, then have a look at today's work once again. First, write the thoughts of Pingala, read the story, write the conversation, develop the picture dictionary. Dears, I want to say you one more thing. In the next class, you should keep a white paper and a pencil with you. എന്തിനാണെന്നോ? ഇറ്റ്സ് എ സർപ്രൈസ്. ഓക്കെ, എല്ലാവരും വെള്ള പേപ്പറും പെൻസിലുമായി അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാത്തിരിക്കണം. ഓക്കെ, see you in the next class. Bye.